Hey guys, in today's video, let me show you something very special. Now, how can you recognize that any network is secured with firewall or not? I mean, is there a presence of firewall in between attacker and the target? How can you find it? In a cyber security, you guys can do this. So in a live practical, I'll show you how to perform the lab where you guys can check within a network, is it secured with firewall or not? So attacker will come from outside and your target will be in an inside network, and in between there will be a firewall deployed. We can do such type of scannings with the help of our cyber security knowledge. So let me take you guys to my computer screen where I'll show you all these type of attacks. Okay, so guys, we are now on our desktop screen and here we have two scenarios. First scenario is with firewall. So we'll try to identify the presence of firewall between our external and the internal network. Here I have Linux machine at external network, which is our WAN, and subnet is 100.1.1.0/24, from where I have taken .6 as an IP and here .10 at the outside interface of your ASA firewall. I have a LAN subnet with .5 IP at the server, which is my target, and .10 as a gateway IP. So first of all, I'll show you a reachability wise. I'll go to ASA console and I'll check a reachability to my server. All these basic configurations I have already done. So from here, if I try to reach my Windows Server 10.11.11.5, I have a reachability. I'll try to ping Linux 100.1.1.6. I have a reachability. So now since I have a firewall between external and the internal network, so definitely my firewall will not allow. So this is what I'm trying to identify. So an attacker will try to send a packet via firewall. It will try to send packet and it will try to recognize whether there is a firewall in between or not. So how do you identify that? Now see in this scenario, if attacker sends a packet, ACK packet, and if there is a no response, if there is no response, right, that means there is a firewall, there is a stateful firewall present in between. This is what we are going to probe right now. I'll capture a packet via Wireshark. Let me capture packet at the G0 by 1 interface of firewall. Wireshark capturing will do it. It has started. And here none of the packets are passing right now. I'll minimize this. I'll go to Linux machine and here I'll check IP address. Yeah, it's already there. We already identified. I'll log in here. I'll try to execute nmap command. So we have nmap space and then we have a hyphen and then we have small s capital A because we are going to send the ACK packet, and the target IP. I'll give this server's destination IP as a destination IP. So 10.11.11.5, I'll give a target IP. And you see in a backend there will be packets sent from your Linux machine. Now, first of all, check here. My Linux machine PC IP is .6, 100.1.1.6, and my target was 10.11.11.5. So if you pay attention here, my source IP is 100.1.1.6, my Linux machine, right? And this is my target server. You see, it is trying to send a SYN packet, again trying to send a request of ACK packet, again trying to send a request of ICMP packet. Different ways it tried sending a packet, but throughout the packet capturing, if you see, there is no response, there is no response from the firewall. That means your packet is being dropped, okay, by your stateful firewall. And as per this document, if you are not getting any response, that means there is a presence of stateful firewall in between the attacker and the private network. So this was our first scanning that we probed. Guys, now we have a second scenario where we'll see without firewall. So we'll try to confirm the absence of firewall between your internal or external network. So simply what I have done here is connected one Linux machine with our server. I kept it within a same subnet. I'll check a reachability here. So let me click on Linux machine. Let me ping your server 10.11.11.5. Yes, it's pinging. Now I'll start capturing packet at any end, server or a Linux machine. So let Wireshark open now. Okay, all good. I'll come to Linux machine and I'll try to perform the same scan. And this time you guys will see there will be a reset flag. So let the scanning complete. It takes little few seconds, guys. You have to keep patience. So when you perform this task, now this time we have the output now. Now let's see. Let me stop this. Now, as per my explanation, what did I tell you? If there is no firewall, in that case, if I send the attack packet, ACK packet to the destination, I'll receive reset flag. So let's see, did I receive the reset flag? Now coming here, I have sent ACK packets and I see I am receiving the reset packets. You see, I'm sending the ACK packet from the attacker to a server. In a response, I'm getting, a reset flag. You can see it's a reset flag coming from the server itself. So I'm getting a response. That means there is no firewall in between my attacker and the target. So guys, these were the two type of scenarios to know whether you have the firewall in between you and a target or not. Okay. And the other one, how to find out there is no firewall between you and the target. So this was all about today's lab, guys. See you guys in a next video. Thank you.